Let's get you all the big political headlines also that we're tracking this morning. There's been a lot of speculation on exactly where UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will contest from in this election. Weeks it's been since really he's announced that he is going to be contesting in this election, but there's still a big question mark on exactly where. And India Today has learnt that Yogi Adityanath is likely to be fielded from the Ayodhya Assembly seat. In 2017, remember, Yogi Adityanath had won from the Gorakhpur constituency. A decision on this will be taken after the BJP core committee meet that's going on for the last couple of days in the Delhi BJP headquarters. The BJP is expected to release its first list of candidates after January 14th. Sources have also told India Today that over 40 MLAs are likely to be dropped this time around. For the BJP, Ayodhya is a very crucial and key seat. The Ram Mandir campaign in Ayodhya has essentially been the focus point for the Uttar Pradesh government. If Yogi is fielded from Ayodhya, it would reinforce him as the face of the BJP's Hindutva ideology, as well as amplify the party's main plank in the coming elections. Let's take this across to Abhishek Mishra. He's joining us live from Lucknow with the latest on this. Abhishek, good morning. Endless speculation where exactly Yogi Adityanath will contest from, but latest reports seem to suggest that it could be Ayodhya, and it will be a move that could have been very well thought out by the BJP, and Ayodhya could be chosen to essentially reinstate and reinforce the identity of the BJP and particularly of Yogi Adityanath.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, and that is the only reason that we have come across this information through the sources that Yogi Adityanath is all set to contest this election from Ayodhya. And it has been a call by the BJP core committee, and at the same time, it is also relevant with the fact how Yogi has been very active in Ayodhya from past his whole tenure. Other than Gorakhpur, if he was active anywhere, it was only and only Ayodhya. Not only the temple construction work or the development of the area, but also the prioritizing the development of the whole city has been on the agenda for Yogi Adityanath. And we've also seen how he's always very vocal about, the development of Ayodhya and being a part of the Ayodhya. And it looks like that now, with as soon as the list will start to come, although Ayodhya is still not in the first phase, we will have to wait for the official announcement. But it's certainly a decision by the core committee that Yogi Adityanath should contest from Ayodhya. All those sentiments would be picked, and at the same time, how the BJP has uplifted the development in Ayodhya would be a core agenda for Yogi Adityanath. Yes.
All right, Abhishek, thank you very much for joining us with all those details. And before I slip into a short break,